Ghanaian people in our country were never allowed to enter this book. In Ghana, our culture is very rich to the extent that when we lose an important person, when a very prominent person dies, you see horn blowers, bare-chested. You see them with a tight cloth on their waist. This tells that something bad has happened. So whenever you see such men in this manner, it means we've lost a very great person. So they are all processing, holding horns, and they are blowing and announcing the death and the loss of our first president. We've lost a great man, and now they are telling the world that we've indeed lost a great man. Each man is representing an ethnic group. The man there holding his drums is representing the Ashanti side. We have the Akan people. He is representing the Akan people. Now the man holding the Goji, it looks like a guitar. He is representing the northern side of people. And the rest are the others. So Western, Eastern, Central, we are all one people.